Auckland Airport is thanking passengers for their patience after a terminal had to be evacuated this morning. A fire alarm had been activated in the domestic terminal shortly before 8 a.m. Auckland Airport emergency services responded, and the terminal was declared for re-entry less than 20 minutes later. Take a listen to this video. Let's just play that for you one more time and just take a listen. This was at Auckland Domestic Terminal this morning. And that is your latest update for today, October 18, 2025 at 4:14 p.m.